Morning, my friends on YouTube. Another Sunday morning again. We're out looking for the big ones again. So we don't know if we're going to catch anything today, but we're going to go out and try our luck, you know. The place kind of foggy this morning, but I don't know. Maybe the fish bite this morning, but we'll see what will happen. That is one of my friends over there doing the same thing, trolling around, you know. Mr. Mackey. Seafood man as usual. Bright red this morning, you know. Danger. You see him? Yeah. So we get to in the action, alright? The seafood man hook up again, you know. Alright. I'm going to have to help him today, you know. I'll help him out today. Lures. That's how to use, you know, catching big fish. Just small kingfish.
This is a small one, see there?
Alright, now the seafood man hook up again. So the man in full red danger. Don't play with him. Alright, let me see now. Can't see him yet. I need help, right? I'm going to have to help you. See it? Seafood man again, you know. Seafood man again. No, another one. Boy.
That one make a bloody mess. Ah, boy.
So that's the seafood man again. Boy, I'm not catching anything today, no, Mr. Biggs. Nothing at all like catching today. But anyhow, we'll see what happens next trip. So this is the seafood man now. Hook up again.
Monster.
This one, boy, is my rod still in, but boy, I have to operate the video and let him fight the fish for me. See him there? Fighting away like crazy.
Shut up, Ian.
No.
Jack, Jack.
Maybe it's a monster jack, you know.
Yeah.
So I give a good workout.
Yes, man. The sun hot.
Sun hot too, man. But guess what? It's fishing. As long as I'm catching, we don't feel the sun when they're catching fish. But wait, him join out with the boat.
Yeah, man.
But wait, you saw this one big. I can't get a look at him. No, maybe you can't see me.
Yeah, I see it.
Well, I can't see him yet, so just focusing on the seafood man here. See him there? Take your time. And don't comp it, so I have to just. I'm not ready yet. Taking away line again.
The punish, yeah. Big man.
Oh, it's a big jack,
jack.
man. See him there?
Look strong, eh?
See him there? Look at him. Okay, I see him yet.
So, come on.
I want to tell you, say, you know, see if you catch a big jack, I call a 20-pound jack. You fight harder than a 20-pound tarpon, you know.
Well, I need to go along with it.
Alright, see him there? Alright, so the seafood man out the control here. See him there now?
Big
Yeah,
man,
see him there?
fat.
Oh, it's a big jack.
Yeah, man, big.
But you know, the seafood man here can't find sale for them, you know.
Big man. She's like about
Look how
12,
easy.
13 pounds.
Easy him go and sell that one. Him say him go and sell him, so. And I know him can sell him still, you know, because him have the customer them.
Well, I just want to tell you about it.
There you go there. Monster. See him there? A big jack. Seafood man again. Alright? Catch you again.
Listen, kingfish?
Yeah, kingfish.
Alright.
Coming straight to me.
Okay, I can get it off there.
So we're running off, eh?
You can grab at him same time? Or you want me to grab at him?
Come on.
Hold on. Kingfish.
Kevin. One more.
Alright. You get him? Ah. Alright.
So, don't look up on this fish here.
There's this angler.
Here.
Alright.
Nice size. What's up my glasses? Alright, that is it. Kingfish. Yeah, so we're heading in now. End of our fishing trip. I didn't do too bad today now. Look at that. That's my arsenal, you know. Look at that. Lures. We have Uzuri there. We have Mirror Lure. Lot of Uzuri. Rapala. Uzuri there, Redhead, Blueback. Just to name a few. And some little, I don't even know what are those things. Some little plastic things. But this one, that's the killer for the day. That one. Great bait. So it's there, a lot of teeth marks and stuff, look at it. That. Yeah, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching.